Friends, in this video we are going to learn about articles in English. Articles are used in English language only. There are two types of articles. First, indefinite article a or an. Second, definite article the. Indefinite article a or an are used with a singular countable noun, while definite article the is used with any type of noun. For example, we say a boy, a city, a doctor, a lamb, an apple. All these nouns are singular and countable. We use a or an article with them and we say a boy. Boy is a countable noun. We can count one boy, two boys, three boys. Likewise, a city. City we can count one city, two cities. A doctor we say, a lamb we say, an apple. So any singular countable noun takes indefinite article a or an with it. Definite article the is used with any type of noun, whether it is singular noun or plural noun, whether it is countable noun or uncountable noun. It takes the article with it and we say the book, the mouse, the people, the children, the milk, the gold, the honesty, the wisdom. Okay. Interesting fact about definite article the is it is pronounced the when it is used with a noun beginning with a consonant sound. We say the book, the gate. If it is pronounced with a noun beginning with a vowel sound, it is pronounced as the, and we say the animal, the end. We cannot say the animal, the end. We have to say the animal, the end. Okay. Friends, can we say a books? No. Books is a plural noun. Indefinite article a or an is used with singular countable noun. Books is a plural noun, so we cannot say a books. Likewise, we cannot say a children. Can we say a milk? No. Why? Because milk is an uncountable noun. We cannot count milk as one milk, two milks. A milk is wrong. Likewise, a water is wrong. An oil is wrong. A beauty is wrong, because all these words are uncountable. We cannot say a books, a children, a milk, but we can write a milk bottle. Here, indefinite article a is used for the noun bottle. It is not used for the word milk. So we can write a milk bottle. Likewise, we cannot write a water, but we can write a water bag. Here also a is used for the noun bag. It is not used for the word water. Likewise, we can write an oil lamp. An is used for the noun lamp, but the beginning of this phrase is with vowel sound. Instead of a, we use an, and we wrote an oil lamp. Likewise, a beauty is wrong, but we can write a beauty contest. Friends, now we'll learn about 4 rules about using indefinite article a or an. Rule number 1. Indefinite article a is used with singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound, while indefinite article an is used with singular countable noun beginning with a vowel sound. You must have learned about vowel sounds in English in your high school. A, E, I, O, U. Any singular countable noun beginning with this vowel sound, take article an with it. We say an apple, an elephant, an ice, an onion, an umbrella. But here we say a boy, a city, a doctor, a lamb. But here we have to say an apple. Fill in the gaps with article a or an. First, tree, t sound. So it will take article a with it, a tree. Second, car. This word begins with k sound. So it will take article a with it, a car. Third, animal. This word begins with a sound. So it will take article an with it, an animal. Fourth, European. The word begins with y sound. So it will take article a with it and we will say a European. Fifth, American. This word begins with a sound. So it will take an with it and we will say an American. Sixth, university. This word begins with y sound. So it will take article a with it. Friends, we do not pronounce this word as university. We pronounce it as university. So it will take article a with it and we will say a university. 7. Map begins with m sound. So it will take article a with it, a map. 8. Unit begins with y sound. So it will take article a with it, a unit. 9th, petrol. Petrol is uncountable noun. So it will not take article a or an with it. We cannot use article a or an with it. But in indefinite sense, we can use some here and say some petrol. For example, there is some petrol in the tank. But indefinite article a or an cannot be used here because it is uncountable noun. No article petrol. 10. Honest boy. The word honest begins with o sound. H is silent here. Beginning sound is o, honest. So it will take article an with it. 11. Interesting story. It begins with e sound. So it will take an article an with it. An interesting story. 12. MA in English. The alphabet M is pronounced as M. The beginning sound is A. So it will take article an with it and we will say an MA in English. 13. One day match. The initial sound is were. So it will take a with it and we'll say a one day match. 14. X-ray machine. The alphabet X is pronounced as X. The beginning sound is A. So it will take article an with it. An X-ray machine. 15. Opportunity. This word begins with a sound which is a vowel. So it will take indefinite article and with it. An opportunity. 16. Hour. The word hour begins with a sound. H is silent here. It is pronounced as hour, not hour. So it will take article and with it and we will say an hour. 17. Knowledge. Knowledge is uncountable noun. So it will not take article a or an with it. Okay. But in indefinite sense, we can use some here and say some knowledge. He has some knowledge of mathematics, for example. 18. Teachers. This noun is plural. Indefinite article a or an is not used with plural noun. So no article is used here. 19. Information is again uncountable noun, so it will not take article a or an with it. Exciting movie. Beginning sound is a, so it will take article an with it and we will say an exciting movie. Friends, there is interesting fact about alphabets. For example, alphabets F, H, L, M, N, S, X are pronounced beginning with a sound, which is a vowel sound. We pronounce F, H, L, M, N, S and X. All these alphabets begins with a sound. So any short form beginning with these alphabets takes indefinite article an with it and we say an FM, an FM radio, an HIV, an HIV patient, an LIC, an LIC agent, an MSc, an MSc student, an NOC. Indefinite article is used in general sense in sentences. Rule number 2. To introduce noun for the first time, we use indefinite article with it. While telling a story, we say there was a king. He had a dog. The king and the dog is unknown or introduced to us for the first time. So I will say there was a king. He had a dog. If you have to talk further about the king and the dog, I will say the dog was faithful to the king. But in the beginning, when I have to introduce the nouns king and the dog to you, I will use indefinite article a with them and I will say there was a king. He had a dog. Next, I saw a beggar on the street. Beggar is unknown to me and that's why in the beginning I have used a with the word beggar. If I have to talk further about the same beggar, I may use the with it. A student is missing from the hostel. The student is not known to me and that's why I will use indefinite article a with it. So according to rule number 2, indefinite article is used before a noun when it is used for the first time. Rule number 3, indefinite article is used in sentences in the sense of one or any. For example, Seema bought a book, a pen, an eraser from the shop. Here the meaning of indefinite article a or an is one. Instead of a, you can say one book, one pen, one eraser. Seema bought one book, one pen and one eraser from the shop. So in the sense of one, we use a or an in sentences. Next sentence, please give me a book. Here I am not asking any specific book. If it is a specific book, I will say give me the book of green cover or give me the book of red cover. Here I am not asking you about specific book, so I will say please give me a book, meaning any book. Instead of a, I will say give me any book. Okay, so in the sense of any, we use a or an before a noun in the sentences. Next, a computer is an electronic machine. Here we can drop a and use an and write the sentence, any computer is an electronic machine. Likewise, we can say any fan is an electric machine, any pressure cooker is a home appliance. Okay, instead of any, we can use a or an with the noun and say a fan is an electric machine, a pressure cooker is a home appliance. Okay, in the rule number 3, we understood that indefinite articles are used in the sense of one or any in the sentences. Rule number 4, indefinite articles are used before a noun to indicate what a person or thing is. Meaning, when we have to tell the profession of a person, for example, I have to tell my profession, I will say I am a teacher, and I have to tell the profession of my friend, I will say Rahul is a doctor and Ramesh is an engineer. So when we have to tell the profession of a person, we use a or an with the word of profession and we say a teacher, a doctor, an engineer. Okay, this is a nice book. To indicate what a thing is, we use a or an with it and we say this is a nice book, this is a mirror, and that is a toy. So to indicate what a thing is, we use a or an with it. Friends, that is all about indefinite articles in this video. Thank you. In the next video, we will discuss about definite article the. So keep watching and subscribe our YouTube channel.